Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. Well, if you have been living on the rock, you've been noticing that the crypto market has been taking a kind of a big fall, actually. Bitcoin back down at $30,000. Take a look at the charts real quickly. As you can see from its previous all-time high, it looks like it's getting closer to that 20,000, but it's holding up pretty well around the $30,000. But do not be surprised if Bitcoin goes down to $25,000. Right there is where I'll be kind of eyeing out some accumulation period. And at the same time, don't be surprised if it goes down to $20,000. But at the end of the day, it's crypto. It can do whatever it wants. So at all times, just be prepared and never go all in. Not financial advice. But yeah, just, there's always time to accumulate during the bear market. And let's go on to Cardano. So Cardano's been taking a huge hit. Oh my goodness. Looks like it's going back to these support levels at 35 cents. Like I said, it's really close to 35 cents. It's at 56 cents. So, don't kind of prey on that it's going to go down there so you could scoop some up at a really cheap price, because it's already really cheap compared to its all-time high at around like $3.10, I believe was an all-time high. But yeah, let's look at Terra Luna, and oh my goodness, this coin literally went from $116 down to literally zero in a matter of days. And I put out a tweet out asking you guys if you want me to buy $100 US dollars worth of Terra Luna, and it was around like a couple cents or something like that. Which, by the way, if you're not following me on Twitter, make sure to go check it out, where I post any new NFT posts, updates, crypto news, literally urgent news. It will be posted on there. But yeah, other than that, let's get on to some new NFT purchases, because at the end of the day, what's better than accumulating crypto? Well, accumulating NFTs. As you know, floor prices are dropping like crazy, and people are just selling everything as they go. And the only strong projects that are actually going to survive the bear market are those that continue building. So, what did I purchase? Well, as part of the mutant, I had the mutant croc, mutant toad, and then I was whitelisted for the mutant mice, but I was busy over the weekend, so I didn't get a chance to mint one. But it ended up being good for me, because I ended up just scooping a 1000 ranked. I think this is my only 1000 ranked NFT, and it's a mutant mice, and I literally bought it for only 30 ADA above mint price. So not too bad if you say so myself. But that is the new NFT purchase that I've done today. And some other NFT projects I'm currently looking at is getting some more land in Pavia, some more land in Boss Planet Real Estate, and potentially getting a Boss Cat Rocket Club. So if anybody please wants to sell me one, I know I've been begging every single video, but please just give me a good deal, man. Like, what are we at right now? $600. I know that in the last video I said that I would pay 1,000 ADA flat, which is still my offer. If anybody wants to sell me a Boss Cat Rocket Club cat, sell me one for 1,000 ADA, take it or leave it. That's all I got. But other than that, there's also the Boss Planet Vox Cats, which you guys, if you've seen my last video, I purchased one of those. I'll probably get some more here and there. And there's a new NFT project that I'm looking forward to explain. It will be in the next video. Here's a sneak peek. Bam! Alright, so if you were fast enough to pause it, good enough. If not, then wait until the next video next week. But otherwise, that's it pretty much for the news for crypto this week. Like I said before, cryptocurrency market is currently taking a toll right now. It's currently, everyone's finally realizing, like, oh my goodness, are we like really deep in a bear market? Is this the bottom? That's kind of what everybody's asking. But at the end of the day, if you're always accumulating weekly, daily, or monthly, depending on how often you want to accumulate, it's always important, not financial advice, to always accumulate in the long term, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin has always made a new all-time high within its 4-year cycles. But you do your own research, I do my own research. We're all in this together, guys. We will survive. Do not worry. But other than that, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications to be notified of my new videos. And other than that, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.